Welcome to BMK Beauty. Let's get it, booze. Hey, hey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I surely appreciate it. And today we're going to be doing the feed and tutorial. Okay, this is my client. So her hair is shorter. So with shorter hair in this course, you want to blow dry it out and flat iron like the roots as much as possible, so you can get that slayed and that laid look. You know what I mean? Because you want to be fly. You know what I mean? You want to be popping and lit. We got that stuff out. So right here I did a rubber band method because her hair is short, and in the back it's not going to go all the way in, two big braids. So I just did a rubber band method straight back. So it was pretty helpful in achieving this look and achieving the style for her. So again, always remember that if the hair is shorter, is not yet, you know what I mean, at the desired length, you can use the rubber bands to get that look. And you do that all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Then you go back in and you feed in your braids from the top. But from the top, you're going to start off with a little piece of her hair, and then you're going to start off like with the rubber bands. So like one space behind you, like one space, you like part off a little space, and then you do the rubber bands back. And then you leave out baby hair for the baby hairs, because those serious, those matter. Like baby hairs matter. So you want to make sure your baby hairs is left out so you can have some baby hairs. And again, we did this method all the way back. And you know, it's just pretty to me. I like this hairstyle. Okay, then we braid it. We're gonna braid it on back again. But like I said, if you're new to this, go ahead and just do your best. But always leave a little piece of hair out in the front so you can start with their hair and not the fake hair. So you start off with their hair so it looks more real. And then you just stick your baby hairs to the curve them on in. And when you got them curled in, you want to lay them down with paper, because with the edge control I use, if you don't, that air when it dries, it's going to be white. So I'll normally I'll cover the hair and dry them until everything is has melted away and diminished. But you don't want to leave that edge control out, because it will be white, girl, and everybody will see your white edge control. You don't want that. And so, sorry, this is my first time doing the video, so my angles was pretty not that good, so I had to revamp this video. But all I did was, just I had braided her hair down, then I wrapped her hair around her ponytail all the way up, and then to conceal the tracks, you just pull a piece of hair out and you wrap it around the hair so that you can conceal the tracks. So but can't nobody see your tracks. Don't nobody want to see your tracks. You don't want that. That's not cute, boo-boo. And here is the finished look. And she's happy as usual because I slayed her about to life. Oh, God. So, you know what I mean? This is like my first video ever. I think it was the first or second. But I just revamped this video. So, you know what I mean? Because I feel like I could have did it better because I learned more in editing. So, subscribe, like, and share. And I hope to see you girls soon. And ladies and gents, thank you for watching.